Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a few things to show you. I have a small unboxing, so let me go ahead and show you. This is going to be coming out in the new catalog. I got these guys here. It's the fully flowering ephemera pack, so it's got some great floral ephemera in there. And more putty refill from my Take Your Pick tool. I'm always using that, as you know. So I got some refill. I also picked up the Summer Splash blends. And then I got the Country Flowers bundle. So the Country Flowers dies and the Country Flowers stamp set. This stamp set I'm going to be using in my Saturday online class. It takes place on the last Saturday of each month. So if you want to be in on that, all you need to do is order this from me. Again, it's the Country Flowers bundle, and it's the dies and stamp set. So I've got that. I also, you guys have seen, I've been using it, is the Unbounded Love. You guys, with the catalog being out and new, you're going to be able to buy this right now. And if you took place in my paper party, you had an opportunity to buy this as well with that. But we're going to be having this Unbounded Love is going to be my online class. It's going to be on the 14th. So I believe it's the 14th. If you are not yet subscribed to my newsletter, make sure you are. It'll have all this information in there, and that'll be going out tonight or tomorrow, but you will be able to order this and take place with that, or place a $50 order, and you can come to either of those classes as well. All right, so now, since I showed you that, I'm going to show you a small swap that I was involved in. I love this stamp set. And so I made a happy anniversary card, and I put some water area down here, some rock area, and it's got the two, are these walruses? The two walruses in love. So happy anniversary card. And the Country Flowers, this is the card that made me fall in love with that Country Flowers bundle. We got to make this at our little swap. It was a shoebox swap, and this was so cute, using many of, look at all that ink, using many of the in color, the new in color colors. All right, then we have this one here. This was a fun card to make, and this one is really pretty. I love that lime and the black together. Another card, look at this. This is a fun one, and it opens like this, but once you open it like this, then you can open it like this to read the entire card. But I thought this was a great little fun fold. And then finally, the last card is this one with the cute paintbrush there. And again, there's that lime and the black. So, and with some beautiful pink, that's the Melon Mambo, I believe. And I love this. It's just so cute. So, all right. Well, I hope you liked everything and my little update. Again, you can go to BeautyandtheStamper.com, sign up for my newsletter, and you'll get all the information about that. Now, the catalog goes live on May 1st, which is tomorrow. So you'll be able to start ordering at that time. I also want you to be on the lookout for the video where I made this using many of those in colors. And I hope you guys are enjoying my channel. I am definitely enjoying talking to each and every one of you, reading all your comments, and stamping with you guys. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!